everyone. I'm Mansi Iyer. Welcome you on this show, The Success Stories. I would like to introduce our guest for today, Mr. Pradeep Chandiramani. He specializes in karmic healing, where through his psychic gifts, he is able to pinpoint the karmas that are affecting a person's growth, material or spiritual. So welcome Pradeep ji on our show, Success Stories. Namaste Pradeep ji. Welcome to our show.
Namaste ji.
It's such a pleasure to have you today for a talk show. And
Same here.
How have you been?
I've been good. I've been really good. What about you?
Very well, very well. आप अभी बॉम्बे में ही हैं?
मैं अभी कुछ दिन के लिए होम टाउन आया हूँ गुजरात, but soon will be back in Mumbai.
अच्छा. So sir, मेरा सबसे first question कि आप इस profession में कैसे आए?
इस प्रोफेशन में कैसे आया? पहले तो मैं आपको ये कहूँ कि this is my passion, not I don't treat it as a profession. I was a total corporate guy working in Dubai last almost 25 years. But then one fine day, as we say, we all have a sole purpose, we all have a calling. मुझे लगा कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो I'm not very happy doing what I was doing. Though I was getting salary and everything was fine. But always I had this that I am not fit for this. So I always wanted to do something. And since childhood, I had a lot of instances where I felt that I have a divine calling. My purpose is something very different from what I'm doing, 9 to 5 jobs. So I was really blessed to meet some gurus who guided me time and again and kept saying कि बेटा आप में कुछ power है, आप healing शुरू करो. You're born psychic. So, at that age, you don't understand all this. But as I grew, I could feel a lot of energies and I had a lot of experiences, I would say, that shook me off that no, this is something I need to take seriously. And one fine day, I just left my corporate world. I still remember that last day of my work, I just removed my tie and I said, I don't want to wear it again because my path is something different. And that's how I came into this, but not knowing that I would go so far. एक मजाक में आ गया healing world में. But then, as we all have chance to evolve each other, to develop our own skills, so started meditating a lot actually. So वो meditation करते करते बहुत सारी चीजें download होती गई. And here I am.
Sir, who inspired you to do this?
I won't say one person, but there are a lot of people. I used to see sufferings around. I always used to feel that, लोग क्यों इतना suffer कर रहे हैं? I had met one Himalayan yogi and he said, बेटा के आप पे power है, आप अपने touch से लोगों को ठीक कर सकते हो. So that yogi, and then there was one Baba who came to Dubai from Dungarpur. He was a psychic healer, and he chose me to be his assistant. He used to just heal by touch. And when I saw him doing, and I can see smiles on people's face once they were healed, I was feeling that how blessed one could be to bring that energy in somebody else. Like जिन्होंने बिल्कुल अपने लाइफ से हाथ दो खो बैठे, होप्स खो बैठे, और उनके लाइफ में अगर ये कोई आता है, ऐसा कोई बंदा है जो उनको हील कर सकता है, उनको मोटिवेट कर सकता है, तो उससे अच्छी बात क्या हो? So I think he was one of my greatest inspiration, and he's not in body anymore, but I still remember him a lot, and I miss him a lot, and I still can't forget what he told me in the end when he was leaving from Dubai, and that really inspired me to become the healer I am today.
सर मुझे ये समझना था exactly आप क्या करते हैं and ऐसी कोई कहानी या ऐसा कोई केस जो आपने सॉल्व किया हो?
देखिए पहली बात तो हम सॉल्व नहीं करते, वी आर जस्ट मीडियम्स. और रही बात जो मैं करता हूँ, आई कॉल माई सेल्फ एज अ साइकिक एंड इंट्यूटिव हीलर, फेस रीडर, past life regression therapist, motivational speaker. I'm also into angel tarot cards. I also do karmic healing where I help people to release their karma which is blocking them the flow in their journey. I am also into crystal healings. I do crystal energy. I help people with meditation, and I am also a soul grooming expert, where I help a lot of models and actors to groom themselves internally. Because
जी,
बाहर से मेकअप के बाद तो हर कोई बहुत ही सुंदर खूबसूरत लगता है, जब मेकअप उतारने के बाद क्या. So I give them not only good look factor but feel good factor also. So yes, this is what I do till now. uh, बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस है जो मैं भूल नहीं पाता हूँ, क्योंकि इतने सारे अभी तो बहुत टाइम हो गया ये सब करते करते. But when I started, my first client who came to me was a cancer patient, and उनकी वाइफ आई थी, कहा कि यंग, उनकी बेबी बहुत छोटी थी, and कहा कि he is on third stage cancer, and doctors have told that he is not much life to live. So please, we have heard about you. Why don't you help him out? I think third or fourth stage cancer. So he was from Bombay, but he was living in Dubai, and his wife was in media. So when I looked at him. I understood his entire journey. So I told him, I said, I need 21 days with you, and 21 days every day evening you have to come and get healing done, and then we see what can be done more. So he religiously came on 21 day. 22nd day he had to fly out to Mumbai for his next chemo. So he said, let me go for chemo and come back because I can't miss on that. So he came to Mumbai, and वही डॉक्टर्स जिनके पास, जिन्होंने कहा था कि you have very short life and not more than 6 to 8 months. So when he went for chemo, after the chemo, I still remember it was 5 in the morning Dubai time, and India में 6:30 बज गए थे. He called me and he was crying on phone. So I got a bit scared कि क्या हो गया. So he said, you know what, doctor said that you don't have cancer anymore.
oh,
So his, until today, it's been, I think, almost 15 years, he's still doing well in his business. He's doing absolutely fine, and everything is fine in his life. So this is what I say, that you are blessed enough to help somebody's journey, and this one instance really stayed on my mind, and that also motivated me that I can help many others who are suffering with so many different ailments. Because over the period of time, I understood most of the diseases are psychosomatic. It first comes in your mind, and that it spreads over your energy field, and it hits your body parts later. So the time between mind and body is almost 6 months. So why can't you help someone at the time of the initial thought? So I started working a lot over mind, because for me, anything, any disease which is there in the body, it started with the mind. So I work on that first thought and help people likewise.
बिल्कुल. So आप mind अपना strong रखिए, mind healthy रखिए, everything will be fine then.
See,
This is
पहला एक जो thought आता है, that thought, if it is a good or better. For example, if I tell you something not good, you will go with that bad energy, bad thought, I would say. The thought will keep coming back to you, and that will become one emotion of yours. And whenever you hear about me, or whenever you look at me, or whenever you see me on Facebook or on the road, you won't have that good energy about me. You will always remember that one word I told you. So that's how it slowly gets into a subconscious mind, and that CD keeps playing in our conscious mind, and then that becomes that emotion becomes slowly and slowly our nature, and that gets induced in our body. और वो धीरे धीरे करते कोई ना कोई पार्ट हिट करता है. और that's why most 99% cases are psychosomatic. अगर आपने
जी.
इनिशियल वो थॉट को पकड़ के ठीक कर लिया ना, so you are saving a lot of your diseases. You're not getting into that. आप वहां तक पहुंचने ही नहीं दोगे डिजीज तक. I work a lot with gym people, because gym में shoulder से लेके feet तक तो पूरा टोन कर देते हैं. They look very good, gym fit and all. But ये ऊपर का पोर्शन छोड़ देते हैं.
कैसे होगा?
And
जी.
that's why I work a lot on mind fitness rather than body. अगर आपका mind fit है तो body तो होनी ही है fit. And fit body is not about only being muscular or looking good. It is being disease free and healthy. That is more important at this point of time.
So a proper balance between mind and body. One
For
has to
proper
achieve.
balance, one has to have a proper balance between mind and body, because that is so important at every time. Because each day we are going through, and especially during the time of COVID, there is so much of thought
जी,
process, so much of fear factor कि आगे क्या होगा. पहले तो क्या हम छोटी छोटी चीजों से डील करते थे, घर में थोड़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, या कभी जिस शहर में रह रहे हैं वहां पे थोड़ा अर्थक्वेक आ गया, या फ्लड्स आ गए, छोटी छोटी चीजों से, या जॉब का इशू हो गया, या passing out of loved ones. So we were dealing with small issues every day, and this time इतना बड़ा ग्लोबल लेवल पे कोविड आया है, तो उसमें तो इतने थॉट्स आ गए कि आगे हमारा होगा क्या. 6-8 महीने से लॉकडाउन में है, कैसे गाड़ी चलेगी. तो मैं हमेशा एक ही बात कहता हूँ, जब बाहर की परिस्थिति सही ना हो, तब मन की स्थिति को हम अगर ठीक कर सकते हैं तो बहुत कुछ बच सकता है. क्योंकि बाहर जो हो रहा है वो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, राइट. मेरे कंट्रोल में क्या है, अपने मन की स्थिति.
जी.
अगर वो मैंने कंट्रोल कर लिया तो बहुत कुछ सरल हो सकता है लाइफ में.
So I would like to ask you regarding your family, your friends, your children. How do they take this profession? How do
See,
how
they
do
take it
they?
very well. Initially, it was not that easy, especially when it came to my parents, because उनको लगा कि मैं बाबा या स्वामी बन जाऊंगा, तो वो बहुत डर गए थे शुरू शुरू में. But my wife was very supportive, and my kid, my child, my son was very supportive. And today, what I am, because of their support. And उन्होंने मुझे एक ही बात कहा कि this is your journey. You should go and do and help people. क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ बिल्कुल डॉक्टर की तरह, रात को 2 बजे भी कॉल आ जाए. मुझे आज
जी.
भी याद है कि बहुत टाइम कम मिलता था. मैं मेरी वाइफ को लेके जा रहा था मूवी पे दुबई में, अचानक कॉल आ गया मुझे एक इमरजेंसी केस का, जो मुझे हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ा. और वो प्लान हमने मूवी का बहुत टाइम के बाद बनाया था, क्योंकि टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था, क्योंकि सुबह से शाम में काम करता था, उसके बाद हीलिंग्स करता था. एक फ्राइडे मिलता था तो कहीं हम आउटिंग के लिए जाते थे, लेकिन फ्राइडे को इतने केसेस आ जाते थे. So I still remember her words. She said, "No, you are meant to do this, and if people need you now, you cannot delay this process." कि आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि अगर कोई किसी को परेशानी अभी है, तो आप कुछ 2 घंटे या 3 घंटे के बाद आओगे. तो don't do this. Fulfill your journey, what you're blessed with. Otherwise, God सबको ये blessing नहीं देता. अगर आपको मिली है, तो उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाए, लोगों को help करें. So I think it's a great initiative from her side also, and she really helps and
Yeah,
pushes me.
she's been like with
Being
you
a
and
wife,
supporting
yeah,
you completely. Yes.
exactly. Because I've seen my friends, like some of the wives, they don't even let them talk to somebody at night. फोन पे
Yeah.
परेशानी हो जाता है, किससे बात करो. और मेरे पास तो पूरे दिन, क्योंकि because I work with different time zones, sometimes there are call from US. पाकिस्तान से 2-2:30 बजे होता ही है कभी ना कभी कॉल, पाकिस्तान से, कनाडा से, यू, और टाइम डिफरेंस है, तो people call me at different timings. So I think I'm blessed that way.
Sir, how many years that you have been into this now? It's been a long, long time.
It's 2 decades, more than 2 decades. I think
Okay.
since childhood I had been doing, because मुझे अभी भी याद है कि बचपन में जब भी मैं किसी को हाथ लगाता था तो मेरे हाथ इतने गर्म रहते थे. So everybody would feel that I have a fever, and but at the same time they would feel very good also. So I think I started at a very young age. People used to feel very good with it. And as one day my wife was having stomach ache, and I was joking, "Come, I can heal you." तो मैंने ऐसे ही हाथ रखा, and she was feeling much better. So that's how slowly करते करते काफी टाइम हो गया है. अब तो दो, आई थिंक 20 साल से ऊपर हो गए मुझे ये सब करते करते. आई ट्रैवल, जैसा कि मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया था, जो कैंसर पेशेंट आया था उनकी वाइफ मीडिया में थी. So she said that, like, people like you should be out in media, and she printed my article in Arabic newspaper. And imagine in Dubai, coming in Arabic newspaper, it was not that easy, because there are a lot of rules and regulations. अभी तो दुबई काफी liberal है,
अच्छा.
but
Okay.
20-22 साल पहले तो they were very strict, and for them
जी.
this was all not considered to be normal.
जी.
उनको लगता था एक
Yeah.
कुछ काला जादू या कुछ गड़बड़ है, ये लोग
हाँ.
करते हैं.
हाँ.
But when I was out in Arabic newspaper, a lot of my friends said that you are in a big issue now, because government will ask you, give us the proof, and what you will say. But I believed in one thing, that अगर यहाँ तक मैं ऊपर वाले ने मुझे पहुंचाया है किसी ने through, so definitely nothing is going to happen wrong with me. In fact, I was well I was invited by Cancer Hospital in Alain, and a lot of doctors called me and they said, जहाँ पे हमारी जो साइंस है वो खत्म होती है, वहाँ आपकी शुरू होती है. So in fact, I used to started getting a lot of calls from hospital for emergency cases to consult them and to see what can be done. Side by side, they used to continue the medicine also, but the healing would help them to heal them faster. So I think I was well accepted by everyone later. And then later I was interviewed by Z, Sony in Dubai, Sony TV, Z TV, and then I started doing some radio interviews, and I started doing a show on positive health in Dubai
अच्छा,
on radios. So a lot
great.
of changes came after that. People started recognizing, started feeling good, seeing me, meeting me. And yes, one instance I would definitely like to share with you here, that जब मेरा पहला टीवी शो आया था दुबई में, I still remember it was Friday. This was a very famous show, Gulf Pulse करके आता था every Friday, and they used to actually interview top personalities of Dubai every Friday. So मेरा भी interview आया था उसमें luckily, and वो शाम को 7 बजे आता था, 7 से 7:30, 7:45 तक, और मैं रात के शो मूवी में जा रहा था, मूवी देखने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. So evening में शो आया था, and as I entered the theater at 9 o'clock, a lot of people saw that show because it was a very famous show and they recognized me, and they all came running because they showed as a healing hands, master of healing hands, a master with healing hands, ऐसा कुछ दिखाया था उन्होंने. So a lot of people came and हाथ मिला रहे थे and photos निकाल रहे थे. So it was a very overwhelming response for the first time, which I've never been exposed to. I'm talking about years back. So yeah, uske baad never looking back. I've been called by various. I've done a lot of interviews, and by God's grace, I've traveled the world and helped people with healing and motivational speaking. Yes.
So what made you shift back to India? Then you were in Dubai for some time and then you came back to India, or you went
I
out
was in
somewhere?
Dubai almost 25 years, then I shifted 5 years to Africa. But I always
अच्छा,
wanted to come back to India. One was family reason also. My son was growing, and he was in college in Mumbai. So I had to be with him. My wife is in Gujarat with my parents, and she's working over here. So one was that, but I also always felt that India is so rich with spirituality. हमारे इंडिया में इतना सब कुछ है देखने को कि बाहर जो नहीं देखने को मिलता. I was always मुझे बहुत ही मन होता था कि I should meet spiritual masters, I should go to some ashrams. I love this place Rishikesh. So I was always drawn towards or pulled towards that कि जो बाहर रह के नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि हम बाहर से आते थे, 1 महीना वो पेरेंट्स के साथ ही बिताना पड़ता था कि because they also see me from after long time. तो कहीं
जी.
जाने आने जाने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता था if I have to meet some people like this. So one main reason also was this, that I wanted to be closer to my family and the spiritual side of mine, because I feel India is so rich with spirituality.
सर आपके पास ग्लैमर और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से भी काफी लोग आते होंगे जी, जो आपकी हेल्प चाहते हैं. So are there any such people who are getting groomed under you, trained under you, being healed by you?
Mansi, there are a lot of people they come to me, but everybody comes with this one important thing, that this is a very personal thing for them. So yes, प्रॉब्लम्स हर किसी को है. हमें लगता है जो ये लोग जो स्क्रीन पे चमकते हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम्स हर किसी को है. I deal with a lot of actors, models, producer, directors, music directors, singers, but I believe I don't feel comfortable revealing their name, because they come with this faith that this is very personal and nobody comes to know about them. So I respect their thought also. And चाहे वो कोई भी हो, I don't give out the names, but yes, they do come. They have a lot of issues. They come, they get sorted. So yeah, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं.
Sir, any specific incident that you, or any specific story from the Bollywood or from the glamour world which you have helped someone?
Yes, I still can't forget this. एक बड़ी स्क्रीन का जो बोलते हैं कि not a good person on the screen जो दिखाते हैं villain,
अच्छा
वो आए थे मेरे पास जिसको देख के सब डरते हैं.
अच्छा
बचपन में मैं भी डरा करता था. When he came to me and when I started healing him and when I started talking to me, he cried to me like a baby. And I was really surprised that हम लोग उनसे स्क्रीन पे कितना डरते हैं और अंदर से वो बिल्कुल बच्चे जैसे हैं.
जी
So you know, जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं है actually. And let me put this way that each one of the soul is suffering in some or other way. चाहे वो कितने भी बड़े क्यों ना हो, ए लिस्टर और हो, उनको भी कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम तो रहता ही है. So when they come, they pour their heart out and they feel very good. Or I think I'm very specialized with making people cry so that they can come out with all the excess baggage, I call it, which they are holding from this life and previous lives also. उनके अंदर इतना भरा हुआ होता है कि once the healing is done, they just cry their heart out and they feel very relaxed. So yeah, this always I think कि जिस इंसान से पर्दे पे हम इतना डरते हैं कि मुझे आज भी याद है बचपन में जब वो आते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक क्लोज माय स्क्रीन, इनका मुझे सीन नहीं देखना. और वो जब मेरे सामने आके बैठे तो लाइक वो एक बच्चे की तरह रो रहे थे. सो इंसान वही है लेकिन बस वो ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में उनको थोड़ा ब्लो कर
जी
दिया
सर,
जाता है.
हमारे समाज में
आई
भी
थिंक
सर ऐसा है कि अगर आपके पास अरे इतना फेम है, आपके पास इतना नाम है, पैसा है, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, ये एक
एग्जैक्टली
ये एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, पर ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा
प्रॉब्लम्स
बिल्कुल
और
नहीं है.
या
तो मैं आपको एक और बात बताऊं कि प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे साथ भी रहती है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं रहती है. लाइक मुझे आज भी कभी कभी कॉल्स आते हैं तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि आज मैं बात नहीं करता, कल करता हूँ, आज थोड़ा मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है. तो लोग लाइक अगर ऐसे ही कोई फ्रेंड्स के कॉल आते हैं तो आज नहीं मिल पा रहा हूँ, तो लाइक तुमको कैसे हो सकता है, तुमको
जी
सर दर्द कैसे हो सकता है. लाइक उनको मतलब समझाना पड़ता है कि वी आर ऑल्सो इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म and we are not God, we are just the medium who has been selected by the higher selves to pass out this energy and to give the people who are required. So problems हम सब we also go through emotional traumas, we also go through all the financial issues at times. So सबके साथ है, लेकिन only difference is that हमारे ऊपर वो हावी नहीं होने देते हम. अगर
जी
कुछ है तो चलो एक दिन में बैठ के डील करके आगे बढ़ो. And it is not affecting our बॉडी एंड हेल्थ एज बिफोर. जो पहले छोटी छोटी बात पे होता था, अभी गुस्सा भी आता है. एंड इट इज वेरी नॉर्मल एंड आई फील वन मस्ट एक्सप्रेस दैट एंगर बिकॉज when you suppress, later it comes on form of a very serious disease which people don't understand. लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं आपको गुस्सा आता है, मैं बोलता हूँ बिल्कुल आता है गुस्सा, क्यों नहीं आएगा. अगर कोई गलत चीज होती है तो गुस्सा तो आना ही है, बट वो गुस्सा ज्यादा अंदर नहीं रहता है, वो ऊपर की लेवल पे होता है and it just goes away. I don't be angry, but I can show anger. There is a lot of difference. There is a fine line between it. So don't be angry, but show anger. अगर बच्चा आग में हाथ डालता है तो आप ये नहीं बोल सकते अरे हमें बोला है कि एंग्री मत हो. उसे आपको गुस्सा दिखाना है ताकि वो सबक सीखे कि आगे से वो
express
गलती ना
yourself
करे.
freely, basically express
या
yourself. Yes.
आजकल आजकल डिप्रेशन क्यों हो रहा है, क्योंकि पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस. और उन्हें
बिल्कुल
ये डर
yes.
लगता है कि अरे आई विल बी जज्ड. और ये उनको ये लगता है कि मेरे साथ ये लग, जबकि डिप्रेशन इज द मोस्ट acute issue in this country or many other countries. When I was traveling I was in UK recently, and I met a lady who got a child to me. He was, I think, 11 years old, and the mother tells me the child is in depression. Imagine 11 साल का बच्चा in depression. So people are not able to speak out. People are so suppressed in their lives that that's where everything gets put together, and later it comes in the form of depression or heart issues or so many other ailments.
सर शो को आगे बढ़ाते हुए इस शो का जैसा टाइटल है सक्सेस स्टोरीज, व्हाट इज ट्रू सक्सेस मीन टू यू?
Success to me, I think, is something which doesn't stress me out. Success to me is if I am better than what I did yesterday. Success to me is something which I can believe in myself and do things. I think that is success for me. वो सक्सेस किस काम पे जिस जो मुझे स्ट्रेस करे या मुझे अपने फैमिली से दूर करे या जो मुझे अपनों से दूर करे, ऐसी सक्सेस मुझे नहीं चाहिए। मैं सब सक्सेस को सबसे साथ में लेके चलना चाहता हूँ, दैट इज द ट्रू सक्सेस फॉर मी। और सबसे पहले बढ़िया तो जो मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं करे। आज आप देख रहे हो कितना स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ जी रहे हैं सब लोग, especially people who are so successful, they are also so stressful at the same time. They don't talk about it because that is a peer pressure, that a pressure is there that how can I be having issues in my life when I'm so successful. But
Yes.
I meet such kind of people. I met recently in Mumbai one successful who is very frequent in newspapers and all. When he told me his stories, what he was going through, I was really amazed that these people also go through this success. These people also, sorry, goes through this stress. So ऐसा stress लेने से क्या फायदा जो हमारे सक्सेस के साथ ही मिले। तो सक्सेस वही अच्छी लगती है जो स्ट्रेस फ्री हो और जो हम खुश हो के दूसरों से बांट सके। आई थिंक दैट इज द रियल सक्सेस टू मी।
बिल्कुल। और सर ये सक्सेस आप जो आप सक्सेसफुल हैं आज, हाउ डू यू प्लान इट टू गिव इट बैक टू द सोसाइटी? हाउ डू यू प्लान टू हेल्प द सोसाइटी with whatever you have achieved so far?
See, I think I'm still learning each day. I have lots to learn yet, Mansi, because सक्सेस मिल जाने के बाद उसको मेंटेन करना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है। और मेंटेन करने के लिए आपको डेली कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखना पड़ता है। And the day you stop learning, I think you're not a successful person anymore, because I believe that each person I meet every day makes me learn a lot. मैं बहुत कुछ सीखता हूँ अपने क्लाइंट से, उनके इश्यूज से, उनके बातों से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। बहुत सारे प्लान से आगे चल के, बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज अ डिजीज फ्री सोसाइटी। लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं जब कोई नया हॉस्पिटल आता है, पर मैं बोलता हूँ हॉस्पिटल अगर हम खोलते हैं तो उसका ये मतलब है कि हम वी आर इनवाइटिंग इन द कॉन्शियस वर्ल्ड के दर्द भी होना चाहिए ताकि हॉस्पिटल चलती रहे। सो आई वांट a society which is where there are no hospitals, people are really happy and smiling without any stress, हम एक दूसरे को अच्छे से समझ सके। So I am aiming towards them, making each one a powerful soul, ताकि हम किसी रॉन्ग गुरुज या स्वामीज के चक्करों में ना पड़ सके,
No.
यहाँ वहाँ नहीं भागते फिरे कि अपना फ्यूचर बताने के लिए, हमारा फ्यूचर पूछने के लिए कि हमारा फ्यूचर क्या है। फ्यूचर हमारे हाथ में हो। So I'm empowering a lot of souls by giving them the technique of how to be your own guru, or how you can create your life. So running workshops here and there in India and outside India, where I am teaching these techniques कि आप अपने हाथ में अपनी लाइफ को कैसे हैंडल कर सकें।
सर एक बहुत
Yeah,
सिंपल
lots
सा,
of plans.
हाँ एक बहुत सिंपल सा मुझे क्वेश्चन है कि मुझे आप एक दिन बता दीजिए कि इंसान जब उठे सुबह तो अपना दिन कैसे शुरू करे या कैसे प्लान करे, रेगुलर नॉर्मल डे फॉर एनीवन।
नॉर्मल हम क्या करते हैं, उठते ही हम पहले तो मोबाइल देखते हैं कि किसका मैसेज आया या किसको मैसेज भेजना है, राइट? आज की तारीख में, आज का जो दौर चल रहा है, this is the first thing we do, कि first thing we check our mobile, क्योंकि मोबाइल पिलो से पास में होता है। बीवी पास में होना हो, हस्बैंड पास में होना हो, मोबाइल पास में होना चाहिए। That is very important these days actually. Even when it comes to kids or married people, they all, men, women, even my mother at this age, she is 80 plus, she still has that mobile next to her. So this is very important for us, but that is what is taking us back from the nature. So the very important thing, first thing when you wake up, the very important first thing is you have to be grateful that today you are able to open the eyes and see out this beautiful nature again. God has given you one more chance to make your life better. That is very important thing. And I always teach or help people to guide 5 powerful affirmations that once you have to say before sleeping and once you wake up, that I am powerful, I am peaceful, I am fearless, I am healthy now and ever, I am protected by divine mask not only on my face but around my body. These are the very 5 powerful affirmations. If you use it every day, trust me, you can make your life such a beautiful thing in each and every day. Because आप जो पहला थॉट्स सुबह को उठ के सोचते हो, that is how you plan your day. And that day, as you plan, that slowly becomes your life, and that decides your destiny. और अगर आपने मॉर्निंग को ही अपनी लाइफ सेट कर ली है, that thought सेट कर लिया है, आप फ्रेश होके ये बातें बोल के उठ रहे हो, trust me, your life is very different.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for answering this. सर, आज की यूथ जो है, जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, उनके बारे में आपका व्यू एंड आपकी गाइडेंस, आप क्या उन्हें देना चाहते हैं?
देखिए, आज का जो यूथ है वो बहुत ही अलग दिशा में जा रहा है, बिकॉज जब हम छोटे थे या हम इस एज में थे, यूथ या टीनेज एज में थे, though I feel I'm still young, but still, that age, at the age of, especially from 17 to 22,
Yes.
that age में हमें जो था इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था, स्पेशली गैजेट्स तो बिल्कुल नहीं थे, मोबाइल हमारे हाथ में बहुत बाद में आया,
बहुत देर से। yes.
लेकिन आज लोगों के हाथों में, बच्चों के हाथों में, दे डिमांड बर्थडेज पे क्या गिफ्ट चाहिए, आई नीड एन आईफोन। 12-13 साल के बच्चों के पास आईफोन है, जो प्ले स्टेशन है, पूरा दिन उनका ये जो है ना टाइम जा रहा है गेम्स खेलने में। बीच में मैंने एक स्टडी पढ़ी थी कि जो बच्चे या जो इवन एडल्ट्स टॉम एंड जेरी ज्यादा देखते हैं, उनका जो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है, इट इज वेरी विवरिंग। व्हाई? बिकॉज टॉम एंड जेरी में क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ से यहाँ कार्टून जा रहे हैं और हमारा पूरा ध्यान and this was a study made that people who watch too much of cartoons, especially Tom and Jerry, their mind is never at peace. So you can imagine what is the effect of these cartoons और आजकल के जो सीरियल्स हैं जो बच्चे देख रहे हैं, और ऊपर वाली की दया से या जो भी बोले नीचे वालों की दया से जो सीरियल्स बन रहे हैं, जो एक्सपोजर आ रहा है, ये वो इतना है कि बच्चे बिल्कुल अलग ही ट्रैक में चल रहे हैं। एक तो मोबाइल के बिना उनका सुबह नहीं होता, मोबाइल के बिना उनकी रात नहीं होती, और बीच में भी पूरा दिन चाहिए ही चाहिए। कहीं ना कहीं हम पेरेंट्स का भी दोष है, क्योंकि मैं पेरेंटिंग क्लासेस काफी लेता हूँ, तो उसमें मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलता हूँ, जब बच्चा छोटा होता है, अगर बच्चा खाना नहीं खाता है तो माएँ क्या करती है, टीवी चला के देती है कि टीवी के बहाने खाना खिलाते जाए, और बच्चा आराम से खाता जाता है, और माँ खुश हो जाती है कि बच्चा एटलीस्ट खा तो रहा है, और वो ही धीरे धीरे आदत बन जाती है। या बच्चे ने अगर जिद कर ली किसी बात के लिए कि मदर को सोना है, तो चल मोबाइल दे दिया, थोड़ा टाइम सो, एटलीस्ट आई विल बी एट पीस। सो दिस बिकम्स रेगुलरली फिर अ हैबिट फॉर अ किड। और टीनेजर तो आज के यूथ इतने एक्सपोज हो चुके हैं इन चीजों से कि दे आर ऑल गेटिंग इनटू द रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन। यूजिंग ऑफ गैजेट्स is not bad if you use it in the right way and for the right reason. But आजकल का जो generation है, they are using in a total wrong way. आप चाहे Facebook ले लो, Insta ले लो, they are just in they are just hunting something for them, which is so, there are so many, आपने न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा होगा, टीवी पे कितने सारे एपिसोड्स हो चुके हैं जहाँ पे लोग गलत लोगों से मिले, लड़कियां लड़के जो भी हैं। तो I would say that please be refrain from such activities, because कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने गोल से हट रहे हो, क्योंकि आगे चल के कोई काम नहीं आने वाला है। ये सारी चीजें जो आपके फ्रेंड्स जो फेसबुक पे मिले हैं, these are all fake friends. If you want to make real friends, test them out. It's not wrong in making friendship on Facebook also. I have wonderful friends from Facebook. Technology, आज हम Zoom पे बैठ के बात करें, that is because possible of good technology. So use it in a right way.
Right way.
कोई भी चीज खराब नहीं है, use it in a right way for the right amount of time, because everything in excess becomes an issue. बुद्धा से पूछा गया था कि पॉइजन क्या है, बुद्धा ने यही जवाब दिया कि everything you do excess in life becomes a poison.
किसी भी चीज की अति आपको हमेशा नुकसान ही करेगी। बिल्कुल।
मिठाई भी ज्यादा खा ली तो
हाँ।
So anything in excess if you use, and if you see these kids who are totally into gadgets, the youth especially, you just trigger them a little, they are just off to shout at you, because there is so much of this negative, because the radiation is so high, there is so much of negativity they are getting every day. और बच्चों को आदत है कि लैपटॉप या जो है ना लेटे लेटे देखने की, it is completely ruining their health. They're getting into drugs. They're getting into drinks. I see a lot of
So
cases
how
in
do we
Punjab.
channelize their energy? How do we channelize it? What do we give
You know,
them?
the best thing, parents should give them meditation as a biggest tool. They should put each child into meditation because एक meditation को लेके बहुत ही wrong impression है कि meditation तो जो aged लोग हैं ना उनका काम है.
बड़े हैं वो करते हैं.
हाँ. But I have put my son in meditation from the age of 5. He's 23 now. And I see the difference in him, not because he's my kid, but I see his thinking, way of thinking, his a way of understanding life, his way of talking to his friends, his way of not getting into wrong acts is very different from other kids. तो आप जब मेडिटेशन देते हो बच्चों को तो वो आपको अवेयर करती है आपको. मैं बच्चों को यूथ में जब क्लासेस देता हूँ मैं ऐसा डू एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. You want to enjoy life, do to the fullest, but add meditation to it. Because जब meditation करते हैं ना तो हमें एक awareness आ जाती है कि किस हद तक हमें चीजें करनी है. You become yourself, I would say, doctor या self awareness आ जाती है कि हाँ मैं पी तो रहा हूँ लेकिन इतना ही पीना चाहिए, ज्यादा पीना मेरे लिए हानिकारक है.
अच्छा.
Because meditation gives you that power of understanding and becoming aware of things which you were not aware before. So that is the power of meditation. So I think that is a very simple tool. पहले तो हम parents को ये दिमाग से निकालना पड़ेगा meditation is too boring. और इन बच्चों को हम क्या सिखाएं इस जल्दी एज में. एक्चुअली अगर 5-6 साल में अगर मेडिटेशन हम इंड्यूस करते हैं ना बच्चों के लाइफ में, you can see the kid growing in a very different way. So you need that spiritual backup, and that's why we say India is so much into it. And I was really surprised when I went to West. I was in US also. Lot of Westerners, lot of foreign people, they are so getting into yoga and meditation. And I remember I met a lady who said, you know, I have one regret. Sir, I said, what is your regret? He said, I should have born Indian. There's so much of goodness in India. Imagine. हमारे कंट्री में योगा मेडिटेशन होते हुए वेस्टर्नर्स इसको ज्यादा वो कर रहे हैं कि
Adopt
देयर
कर
इज
रहे
सो मच
हैं
ऑफ
बिल्कुल.
गुडनेस.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, now
They're
people are
turning
getting aware after
vegetarian. They're
COVID.
adopting yoga.
Exactly.
They're,
There is,
yeah.
you know, there are so many vegan restaurants out there.
हाँ.
और यहाँ हम इनको बोलेंगे कि अगर vegetarian, तो people look at you as if you are an alien and you talk something nonsense. क्योंकि उनको लगता है vegetarian में variety नहीं है, taste नहीं है, which is very surprisingly. I was a non-vegetarian, but I left. I made a choice 20 years back and I left. And I'm feeling so good about it.
Sir, हमारे viewers के लिए आपका message.
मैं एक ही मैसेज देना चाहूंगा कि keep smiling. Life is too short, and you know, do not take so much of stress. If you are going through something, please come and talk to us. We are all available for you. Do not hold on so much that later it comes out in a very different form. So please feel free to contact me especially. And I've started this talk show on Facebook Live every Monday and Friday. It's called Chai Shai etc. with my co-star host. She's also like a star, Kanchan Tori, where we bring out a lot of real life people who are doing such an inspirational work. Not only real life, but real life के जो इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं लोगों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए, लेकिन उनको कोई लाइमलाइट में इतना नहीं आए हैं. So we are bringing out that kind of people where you can contact them, you can meet them, and you can bring the best out of them. So if you have anything to share, we have a platform. If you're going through something which you need to release, you have a platform. And our show is Chai Shai etc. every Monday night and Friday night at 10 p.m. on Facebook Live.
Thank you, sir. Sir, talk show का आपसे last question. Your association with Trident Communications and your views about this initiative, success stories.
Trident के बारे में क्या बात कहूँ? I met this wonderful couple in London recently, and honestly, they have become my family now. And what I like about them, especially जो मैंने अभी इन्होंने जो award function किया था, honestly, I didn't expect that amazing concept what they had created. They had created a magic, bringing so many people on one platform. That's so also on Zoom, the virtual awards. It was fabulous, and I think they are doing
Thank
this
you.
wonderful work during the time of COVID, much needed time where people think that life is at standstill, and they are making people move, and especially having these interviews and all. Such a beautiful, I think they are a blessing to the society. All I can say. They are truly a blessing, and I wish them all the best. And I would like to be associated, and I can tell on this platform that please use me wherever possible. I'm there for you anytime.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all the appreciation. And it was wonderful having you
Thank you
on our
so much.
show. And
Same here.
it felt as if I have gone through a therapy session today. It has benefited me. This talk has benefited me in a way that it feels like a therapy session.
Thank you so
So it was
much.
beautiful. And stay tuned and please be in touch.
Anytime. Sure. Thank you.
So, dear viewers, this was Pradeep ji, who spoke about how mental health is as important as physical health. Meditate for a prosperous life. Stay tuned for more stories on our show, Success Stories. Thank you.